Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to print photos in different sizes in Windows 10 without any additional software. I have a couple of random pictures here, like this adorable dog. Instead of trying to navigate the Windows 10 print dialog, we're going to use the old console. So let's get started. First thing first, open your file, and then select the photo. This is Windows 10, and I'm simply going to right-click on the file, find the photo in your folder that you want to print, right-click on it, and look for Print. When we click that, it opens up the old-fashioned print dialog box. From here, we can start to lay things out on the sheet as we want. You can print to passport size here if you want to. Clearly, this is not my passport photo because I'm not a dog. But of course, if you have more than one picture that you want to put on the page, you can select more than one. In this case, I'm just selecting a couple of pictures. Once they're selected, right-click and print. Boom! The print dialog box pops up. There's a tiger. If we look down the selections here, it's going to print two to the page. And if you've got more, it can lay them out as such. Nice and easy. And there you have it. Now you have successfully print your picture. And there we go. If you found this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.